Hi there, welcome to this Riley's Ramble short. I just want to give you a brief introduction to a new toy that I've got. It's called the Hover X1. And basically it's a selfie stick for vloggers like myself. It's not the sort of drone that you use for cinematic aerial shots or anything like that. That's for other ones. Yeah, they're raving about it on YouTube, vloggers like myself. I've used it a few times. I haven't used it on a vlog yet. I'm just waiting for the right situation. Basically, you're not going to be using it in an urban area, mainly in rural areas where there's no people. People get scared of drones, I can understand that. But this particular drone's got a plastic cage around it. You'll see it in a minute. You can't, it lands in your hand. I'm just going to show you the modes and what it can do very quickly. I've rambled a bit here. Here's Riley's. Oh, the bloody car coming, I don't believe it. So this is it hovering in front of me. You've only got to, it recognises your face. Anyway, you just hold your hand out and it should come and land. I might have to get a bit nearer. I've got to think of a name for it. Come on. That's it. Yeah, so basically it weighs 165 grams. Yeah, the only thing is, because it weighs 165 grams, it's a bit of a problem in winds on an inaugural cycle ride, and it landed up in an 8-foot high bramble bush, and I had to go home, get a garden broom, stick it in my car, drive up and precariously try to get it down from this upper ledge. And anyway, so I'm learning about it all the time. Yeah, so it is vulnerable to winds, very compact. And I say, it just fits into a cycle pocket. Yeah, so I've picked a road. I thought I wouldn't get any traffic on. Yeah, the bloody car. So I've got to keep my eyes open, otherwise it could just knock me drone out of the air. It has got some obstacle avoidance, nothing really complicated, but anyway, I'm still learning about that, to be honest.
Follow